Today we will start or discuss distance, time and speed. So here, speed. What is the definition of speed? और ये तुम्हारा वाइटल है +2 साइंस फर्स्ट ईयर में जितना है जो भी एडमिशन लेगा he has to face this type of problem and this chapter particularly. और भी क्लास 8 9 लेवल टेस्ट से भी तुम पढ़ के आया हो रिगार्डिंग स्पीड. ऑनवर्ड्स जो कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है सारा कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम वेदर इट इज बैंकिंग और रेलवेज और एसएससी सारा कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में भी स्पीड का जरूरत उस चैप्टर का उसका प्रॉब्लम आते रहता है. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस रिगार्डिंग स्पीड. सो स्पीड का जो डेफिनेशन है, व्हाट इज इट्स डेफिनेशन? इट इज कॉल्ड एज द रेट ऑफ change of distance. This is the definition of speed. Speed is represented as v, or in some books they are also using s, but generally we are going to represent speed in the symbol v. Stands for speed, and s stands for distance, and T stands for time. अब देखो ये जो डेफिनेशन है उसको क्या बोल रहा है? द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्टेंस. रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्टेंस. डिस्टेंस, सो V equal to that will be what? S by T. So if you are going to find out its unit, for distance you can use kilometer. For time you can use hour. So one of the unit is kilometer per hour, but normally we are using or going to follow MCAS system जिसमें हमारा unit यहाँ होगा मीटर पर सेकेंड. So there are two units you are going to use. Either you are using meter per second or you are going to use kilometer per hour. And there is a conversion in between them. You can convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Similarly, you can convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. So here, when you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, what you have to do? Suppose here 20 or 72 kilometer per hour. So if it is given, अगर ऐसा दिया हुआ है तो उसको मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करते टाइम क्या करोगे? 5/18 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. 5/18 इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करने से ये मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो हियर 18 4, सो इट विल बी 5 into 4, दिस विल बी 20 मीटर पर सेकंड. अभी हम क्या किए, जो किलोमीटर पर आवर इसको कन्वर्ट किए किसमें? मीटर पर सेकंड में. सिमिलरली अगर मान लो यहां दिया है 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड, इसको जब किलोमीटर पर आवर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे जस्ट उसका रिवर्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 20 हियर यू मल्टीप्लाई 18 by 5. नाउ इट इज गोइंग टू कन्वर्टेड इनटू किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो इट विल बी 5 4, सो हियर इट इज 18 into 4, दिस विल बी 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो ये दो कन्वर्सन याद रखो. सपोज हियर x किलोमीटर पर आवर ये दिया हुआ है, तो इसको करना है x into 5/18. जब करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा मीटर पर सेकेंड. जब y मीटर पर सेकेंड दिया हुआ है, इसको जब किलोमीटर पर आवर करेंगे तो y into 18/5, तो ये हो जाएगा किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो दीज आर द टू मेथड्स टू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर पर आवर. किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में जब भी कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो उसमें 5/18 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और मीटर पर सेकंड को जब किलोमीटर पर आवर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो उसमें 18/5 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो ये कन्वर्सन हो जाएगा. तुम्हारा सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट को देख के तुमको कन्वर्ट करना है. अगर मीटर पे दिया हुआ है और स्पीड किलोमीटर पर आवर में दिया है तो यू हैव टू चेंज द स्पीड इनटू मीटर पर सेकंड. एंड मीटर पर सेकंड, अगर मीटर में डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है इसमें और किलोमीटर में दिया हुआ, ये स्पीड दिया हुआ है मीटर पर सेकंड में, तो तुमको चेंज करना पड़ेगा किलोमीटर में. सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 18/5. So this is very simple. There are only two things you have to follow. Then next to your, so first clear what is the definition of speed. In some books also it is written like this, v. So v is this symbol to represent speed. So speed का definition तुमको यहाँ क्या मिला. Suppose for example you are taking one example to find out the speed. Suppose a car travel a distance of 200 kilometer in 5 hours. Find its speed. So it is simple. So here v equal to what? That is your s by t. So whenever, जब भी तुम प्रॉब्लम करोगे, whenever you are going to solve the problem, you first see what are the things that is given in the problem. Complete mathematically you treat it. So here a stands for distance and that is given you as what? 200 kilometer. And t stands for time and this is given you as what? 5 hours. So when you want to find out here, v is s by t. What is the value of s? That is 200 kilometer. And what is the value of time? That is 5 hours. So 5 cancels, so it will be what? 40. So what is the speed now? It is 40 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the car. If the car is going to cover a distance of 200 kilometer in 5 hours. In this manner you have to solve the problem. Second thing, v, we know v equal to s by t. In some problem your velocity is given and time is given, you have to find out the distance covered. So in that case s will be what? V into t. So here s stands for distance. So when you are going to calculate the distance, you use this formula. This is the formula to find out, calculate the distance. So distance will be what? That is speed into time. Similarly, if suppose you want to calculate the time, t will be what? That will be s by v. So this is the formula to calculate the time. So t stands for time, s is your, so this is the time will be what? Time will be, that is distance divided by speed. So you have to remember three formula. This is one formula, this is your suppose 1, this one is 1, v is your, this is your first formula, this is your 1 to calculate the speed. Here this is the formula to calculate the speed. This is the formula to calculate the distance and this is your third formula to calculate the time. So you have to remember these three forms of speed. Next, suppose another example you are taking. So you first remember these three things. This is only a single formula, but you can transform it into three different forms. तीन different form में हम उसको transform कर सकते हैं. Suppose here what you have to remember, v equal to s by t, or s equal to v into t, or t equal to s by v. These are the three formulas. We are taking three problems to solve this one. Suppose here anywhere it is given as the speed of a car is 20 meter per second. What is the time taken? Find the time to cover a distance of 200 kilometers. So here what is the speed? देखो ये दोनों दो अलग अलग यूनिट में है. एक है मीटर पर सेकेंड में स्पीड है, लेकिन डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है कितना में? किलोमीटर में. आइदर डिस्टेंस को मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दो और ये स्पीड को चेंज कर दो किलोमीटर पर आवर में, तो सो हियर 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड जो दिया हुआ है, इसको जब किलोमीटर पर आवर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, 20 इंटू 18/5, दिस इज किलोमीटर पर आवर. 5 cancel, so it will be what, 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये हो गया तुम्हारा स्पीड. दोनों एक ही यूनिट में आ गए. हमेशा कोई भी प्रॉब्लम जब डील कर रहे हो, हमेशा दोनों का यूनिट सेम होना चाहिए. सब एक यूनिट में अगर आएंगे तभी हम प्रॉब्लम को डील कर पाएंगे प्रॉपर वे में. तो यहां पे क्या कैलकुलेट करना है हमको, व्हाट इज द टाइम टेकन. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर टाइम. टाइम इज व्हाट, t equal to, that is s by v. So what is the value of s? So here in your problem, s is given you as 200 kilometer, and what is the value of v? V is what, 72 kilometer per hour. Now you just put the value, s as 200 by what, 72. So this is, you will get its value in what, hour, because we are taking kilometer per hour. So here 4, that is 18, and 4 here it is 50, again it is cancel 9, so it will be 25. So it is 25 by 9 hour, or you can say 9 to 18, 7 by 9 hour. This is the time taken by the car to cover a distance of 200 kilometer with a speed of what, 20 meter per second. Now suppose we are going to take another problem. A car is moving, a car is moving with a speed of 20 meter per second. What is the distance covered by the car? What is the distance covered by the car in how much time? Suppose here 5 hours. तो एक प्रॉब्लम लिए टाइम कैलकुलेशन का, पहला प्रॉब्लम लिए स्पीड कैलकुलेशन का. अब ये प्रॉब्लम में हम डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करेंगे. अब देखो ये दोनों भी डिफरेंट, ये आवर में है और ये सेकंड में है. तो जब इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा आवर में. सो हियर 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड, दैट इज व्हाट, 20 into 5 by 18. So 18 4, 5 4 20. Sorry, meter per second you have to calculate it. Sorry, this is what, it is 20 meter per second. Then here 20 into 18 by 5. So 5 4. So what is the speed? 72 kilometer per hour. Then we have to calculate what? कार का स्पीड दिया हुआ है, टाइम दिया हुआ है, क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड. सो डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला s इज व्हाट, v into t. So what is the value of v? This is the value of v. V is given, and time, that is also given here. T is given you as what, 5 hour. So you use the formula. So v is given you as what, v is 72 into time, that is your 5. So here 72 into 5, 5 to 10, 5 7 35, 36, 360 what distance, its unit is kilometer. समझ में आया? तो ये तीन फार्मूला हम यूज करेंगे. कभी वो स्पीड कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बोलेगा, कभी वो डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बोलेगा, कभी वो टाइम कैलकुलेशन के लिए बोलेगा. तो एक ही फार्मूला है, उसको 3 डिफरेंट फॉर्म हम लोग उसका यूज कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? तो इसको यूज करके हम स्पीड, then distance and then time we can calculate. Velocity का और एक चीज जो है, that is called as what, average velocity. और स्पीड का जो तुम्हारा, सॉरी, average speed. How to calculate average speed? So average speed, its definition is what, total distance by total time. Suppose we are taking one example, or it's mathematically if you are going to represent, ये होगा S1, S2, जितना डिस्टेंस तुम्हारा दिया हुआ है S3 and so on, divided by T1, T2, T3 and so on. Suppose here there is, here it is Sambalpur, and here next suppose here you are getting BBSR. Next suppose here you are taking another Vizag, or suppose here you are taking another one next to your, suppose here you are taking Bangalore, so I am taking just one example. Suppose Sambalpur to BBS, this is 400 km. BBSR to Vizag, suppose it is 300 km. And suppose Vizag to Bangalore, it is suppose 700 km. Suppose we can take other places also. And here suppose in between this it takes 6 hours. Here suppose it takes 4 hours. And here suppose it takes 10 hours. Now a bus is moving like this. The bus starting from Sambalpur, it covers a distance of 400 km. In between Sambalpur to Bhubaneswar it is taking 6 hours, and Bhubaneswar to Vizag it is taking 4 hours, and then it is taking Vizag to Bangalore it is supposed taking 10 hours. Now what is the, when you are going to put the, this is called as S1 and this is called as what? S2. This one is called as what? S3. This one is called as what? T1. This is what? T2. This is what? T3. What our formula says? So here average speed, this is what? S1 plus S2 plus S3 by T1 plus T2 plus T3. So here what is the value of S1? That is 400. What is the value of S2? This is 300. What is the value of S3? That is 700. Divided by, what is the time? 6 hours plus 4 hours plus 10 hours. So this, its unit is what? Kilometer, and its unit is what? That is hour. So what is your final value? That is 1400 divided by 1400 by what? This is your 20 kilometer per hour. 1 0 cancel, 2 cancel, so it is 70 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of the bus. Clear? You can take another example also. Suppose here there are 5 different places named as A, B, C, D, E. So here A, B, C, D, E. Suppose A to B this is 200 km, B to C this is 500 km, C to D this is 300 km, D to E this is 100 km. And here it takes 4 hours. Here it takes 7 hours. Here it takes suppose 6 hours. And here suppose it takes 3 hours. Now you see, this one is called as S1, this is called as S2, this is your S3, this is your S4, this one is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. So here, if when you want to find out the average speed, what your formula say? तुम्हारा formula क्या बोल रहा है? S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 by what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. So here it is 200 plus 500 plus 300 plus 100 divided by T1 is 4, T2 is 7, T3 is 6 and T4 is 3. So it will be 500, 207, 1000, 1100 divided by 4, 7, 11, 6, 17, 3, 20. This is your unit is kilometer per hour. So here it is cancelled. So it is what? What is the speed? 55 kilometer per hour. In this way, we have to solve the problem of time, distance and speed. I hope लग रहा है कि इसको ठीक से समझ पाओगे. इसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम करो. जो मैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन करता हूँ उनके लिए भी जरूरी है. जो 9th, 10th और +2 साइंस फर्स्ट ईयर में है उनके लिए भी ये जरूरी है. ऑनवर्ड्स फिर एक नए चैप्टर के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे और लास्ट क्लासेस में सेट थ्योरी के बारे में मैं भी बताया था. उसको तुम लोग प्रॉब्लम किया, उसको सेट थ्योरी का प्रॉपर्टीज का ऊपर करना है. फिर नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. तो आई होप ये तुम क्लियर कट समझ में आता रहेगा तुमको. तो ये वीडियो फॉर मोर वीडियोस यू लाइक माय चैनल, you subscribe it my channel and you share it with your friends. Wish you all the best. Stay safe in your home in this critical period and you go through my channel. Wish you all the best. Thank you.